Hi everybody, hope you're all alright. Quick video for you, bit Blow Street Saturday. I dropped on Reliant to put a set of roses on and anyhow it turns out things are a lot worse and I've got a carb rebuild kit, so things are going to have to change. So I thought I'd just let you have a look round and see what I'm up to and what I'm not up to, because it might be a bit of interest here. I mean, car will have to sit idle now because I'm going to have that rad recovered. And they've sent a rebuild kit, but there's some gaskets that are wrong, so I'm going to have to sort that out. I'm going to let you have a look. I'm going to have a look. You can have a look around, I mean, so go on, I'll show you what I've been up to. Get my camera. Right. So here, look, well, sorry, I'm just going through this because I need some more. This is an SU book, like, it's proper carb company. Internal fuels I use. Now, rad needs a recoil because sometimes somebody's flattened something there, so what's gone off there, I don't know. And there's a few of them, but I may as well record it, and when I've, like, tested it floor, it's slow as out, so no, it's working right. I mean, I took brackets off body to start with, so that then I can, like, I've eased all these things up. I mean, when I restore this car, these all get zinc plated and everything. And shocker, I've got that off because I've got some bushes for it, but I'll be honest with you, shocker's absolutely, I don't know if you can see it, it's pitted to death and it's shot. But it'll do for a minute for me to get it going and get everything and proper. I want it to run properly before I do out with it, because I may as well drive it for a while. And I mean, I've got all new hoses because these are, well, I mean, even mice have been on this one underneath. I mean, that's great, they've just been chowing away at it, so they've obviously been at engine. I mean, these look like hose pipes. I don't know if they must, and that's wrapped in something. It looks like it's had a repair, it's delaminating. Well, it's shot to pieces. I mean, this heat guard here, I mean, I'm going to have to clean this because this is absolutely sodden with oil. Now, it's of an exhaust manifold. Now, that's not a right good idea with carburetor here. You know, but this is rebuild kit. I've got a spring in there, I've got a new jet, stuff like that, but there's a spindle in here, and also there's a butterfly, but there's a 14 ton of play in carburetor, so new start. So I'll clean that up while it's off. And then carb, well, it's, you can hear that, it's absolutely shot to pieces. Never idle in a million years. I mean, these gaskets here on this, they must have had an icing problem or something. That's why they must run heat through it. That's all I can think. I mean, you're telling me, some of your lads who watch this will be Reliant men, and I appreciate any advice. And so this will get fully rebuilt. Like I say, I've got a spring. Damper feels good, you know. I mean, it's not bad on damper. But I'll re-centre everything. But I did have to repair this before, because air filter were off when it came. I don't know if you remember, and it was in boot, so I had to weld all that up there. Then I just painted that side temporarily just so it would have tidied up. Obviously got a new air filter in. But I'll show you what else is going on. Like I say, I'm going to just do them bushes I just mentioned to you, just so I put that back on so I can get it all this. This will go for Rico. I'll take it up Monday to Neil. In fact, I'm going to do a video at Neil's place. Really interesting guy. And he also does a lot of reconditioning and old engineering stuff. So we'll have a run around his factory while we're there. Because, well, same factory. It's his unit, but it's a big unit. So, well, let's come over here. Let's put a bit of light on for you. I mean, I don't know how well you can see, but let's get that above. But everything's out. Obviously a bit of protection. I'm going to duct tap it while I've got it off. I'll get a rocker cover because she's going to sit idle now. It's going to probably take 7 days to turn rad round. So, but I just jumped on this because I've been on bodywork most of the week and stuff like that. I'm painting, so I'm just giving me chest a rest, to be quite honest. And I mean, if you notice a couple of marks there, a couple of marks on water pump down there. I don't know if you can see them on that first one. And that's just so I don't forget what goes what. I've sorted out some bits for some ducting to redo all ducting. I mean, it's an interesting car. It's obviously had a corner chipped off there. I mean, I can see what it's going to have to be when it's fully like done. But everything looks pretty much alright. I think there's a bush here or something. There must be something there. That don't look right. You know, that's just like flapping. I don't like that. I'm sure there must be. In fact, I'll have something. I'm sure I can have something to make that up. But you tell me. And I'll show you what else. I mean, I made some straps off back box. I mean, lad who I got it off has repaired backs, but I mean, it'll do for the time being. But let's try and show you this because I made these 2 straps, and I'm presuming that's how they work. Well, that's how bolts went. So I'm presuming one bent over 90 degrees and this one here, but exhaust lovely now. So we shouldn't have any banging and we should have some flexibility. So we'll see how we go. So that's what I've been up to. Obviously all stuff's in bolt here. I think that's hoses. Hoses, stack, gasket. Oh, I got a mirror for it as well. And the bushes for. Sure, I'll get them out because put them in a minute. Yeah, I got a mirror because there's no mirroring on the screen, so. So I don't know if you're bothered, but a bit of something what I'm doing. Like I say, it's going to sit idle now, so I'll have to get these bits down. I'll get carburetor stripped today. I'll get it ultrasonic cleaned Monday. This'll go Monday, and bit of luck it'll be a running and nicely driving Robin, and then I can get another run out without bangs and knocks and see what you think. So, if you like video. I mean, I don't know if you want me to strip like built carb for you or not. I don't know if you're into whatever you. I mean, just let me know what you want me to do. Then they're not most major thing in the world to do, you know, but they can be quite a long video. But so just let me know. Like I said, give us a like, subscribe to the channel. You want to see a bit more on this little old car because it's just to get me off bodywork. And pass a comment if you want to know. So that's what we're up to. And that's what's going off. So take care, everybody, and bye for now.